What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rodolfo Cardenas, and I'm going to show you guys something that I just got in the mail. You guys are not going to know what I got. And the reason why I wanted to get this is because I've been hearing a lot of stuff about it on Instagram that it's the number one trending every man in the world is wearing it. And they're wearing it in their wrist, or in their neck, or in their fingers. So then I just decided I wanted to buy it. So I went on eBay and got myself this. Can't wait to open this. I don't even know what it is. Actually, I do know what it is, but I just want to tease it up. Whoa. Whoa. Yo. It's a diamond chain. My first ever diamond chain. You guys take a look. Yeah, okay, so here's the story, okay? So I wanted to get one of these things. It's because, like I said before, everyone has been every man out there is wearing these. And I was just like, God, man, now I'm jealous. So I went on eBay so I can get one cheaper. And of course this one, it's only $30, okay? It's only $30. It's the same price that I it's literally like the same price that I have on my watch. As you guys can see, I've been wearing these. I've been wearing this for about for the past a year and a half. So I want something that match my watch. And I agree. And the only thing I did agree to my loved one, or aka my mother, that I agree not to wear this in the street, not or whatsoever, because I might get jumped, and then that might, and then I might get, and then it might get stolen. So I'm not gonna wear this around in the street, but I am gonna wear this around the house. So as you can see, I came full prepared, like full bounty hunter vest. So you can see my full bounty hunter vest right here. All right, so of course it's 24 inches long, so it gets me up all the way from here, and of course over here it has these like those like snaps right here, so you guys can see. All right, so I'm gonna put this on, and you guys let me know how it looks like on me. All right, here it goes. And 3, 2, 1. All right. What'd you guys think? Okay. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. It is actually 8:24 p.m. We're here in California. Monday Night Raw just ended. I stopped watching today's Monday Night Raw because let's just say it wasn't that good. It wasn't really that good. Although although in the beginning of the show, they did celebrated the 20 years of Randy Orton, which I will share this on a different video, since it's Randy Orton week since WWE is celebrating it's like Randy Orton's 20th anniversary, so all the fans out there, they're celebrating Randy Orton week. So I figured I want to share you guys my favorite Randy Orton's moments. What belt does he look better than all the belts that he won? I will talk about this in a different video, in a separate time, of course. And which one should he pursue next? And which accomplishment he should have pursue next? Yeah, and that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Except yeah, like I said, I didn't watch wrestling today. Only needed an hour to finish it anyway. But thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram. It's at rodolfocardenas.mx. It's at RODOLFOCARDENAS.mx. And yes, I will follow you guys back. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.